Welcome back mga kapuso! Best Talk Time na! Kauban si Attorney Resi Rizada. Resi!
Daghang salamat, Argel! Mga kapuso, it's Best Talk Time. Makauban nato karong buntaga ang atong kapuso ug atong kabiyahero, Drew Arellano. May buntag, Drew, ug welcome sa At Home with GMA Regional TV. Kumusta ka na? And of course, your family?
I think ako I'm fine. But I think yung kids ko may kailangan na yatang ipasok sa mental hospital. But no, I'm just kidding. We're all fine. We are. I guess we've adjusted properly.
How do you make your activities with your children and lalo na also with Iya very fun? Kasi meron na kayong sariling channel sa YouTube and we can see your vlogs sa inyong social media platforms.
We try to make it interesting for not just for the kids, I guess for everyone here at home, no? In the morning, there's like learning time, but there's always constantly playtime because that's one way for them to learn, diba? Through playtime. We are actually fortunate that our condo has a small pool sa taas and it never closed kasi wala namang masyadong tao dito sa condo.
Have you noticed ba, Drew, yung qualities or ugali siguro ni Leon at saka ni Pimo na namanan nila from you and ano naman yung ugali na tingin mo nakuha naman nila kay Iya?
Yung sinasabi nga ng asawa ko, ako daw yung panganay. So, yung pagkakulit ko, I guess, yung pagka-hyperactive na parang may energy ako to last the whole month, no? Na-encapsulate sa isang araw. I guess, yeah, probably the energy. But, you see naman my wife naman during 24 oras, she's also very hyper and energetic. From Iya, probably the good looks.
Wow.
Yeah, good looks.
Definitely.
She's listening. That's what I have to say. Good looks.
Eto, Drew, syempre, sabi nga nila you're a super dad kasi parang you make it a point to be home by 7 p.m. kahit you're doing weekly shows like Aha and Biyahe ni Drew. Tama ba yon?
Before, in terms of sticking to that 7 p.m. Deadline for me, it's I grew up kasi having a dad na prioritized time, with the kids, even though he was a very busy lawyer like you. I never felt that he was busy with his job. So parang I felt that he was always there, like, with my sporting events as I was growing up, just letting them know and feel that I'm always here. That's why it's important for me to come home early na hindi pa sila natutulog because that's gonna be a wasted night not being with them.
Grabe. I've had a lot of realizations right now to really make time for my son as well. Thanks for that, Drew. At syempre,
no problem. I'll send you the bill.
I look forward to it. Kailan wala kang may babayad sa'yo, Drew.
No problem.
Syempre, anong mga adjustments naman na ginagawa mo for Aha and for Biyahe ni Drew ngayon na there are a lot, of course, travel restrictions ngayon. So, anong plans natin?
Kiting-kiti na kami. Kiting-kiti. But at the same time, of course, we have to evaluate the situation, diba? I mean, safety is still the priority, the top concern.
What's some of your most unforgettable experience naman during your time here in Mindanao?
Enchanted River, Hinatuan, diba? Hinatuan. And I was just blown away. I was blown away because of the clarity of the water, the fishes, they're just chill.
Thank you very much, Drew. We've had an enjoyable moment with you this morning. Daghan kaayong salamat for your time.
Daghang salamat also, attorney. Thank you so much.
And that was Kapusong Drew. Tutok lang mga kapuso, kay mo balik pa ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.
Kini ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.